Good morning, everyone. Hello, how are you? I hope that you are all fine. Today is the last session in the lesson of the weather. God wills, we are gonna start a new lesson after this lesson the next week. Today, let's revise it together all of the lesson. And then we are gonna be able to solve the last sheets in your resource packs. And there will be a homework, and this is all for today. Okay, so let's start together our revision. Okay, so we said that in this lesson we are talking about the weather, and we said that the first thing we have taken, they are the four seasons. Can you tell me what are the four seasons? Yes, excellent. They are the winter, spring, summer, and autumn. First of all, the winter. Who can tell me what does it mean by winter? Yes, the winter is cold. Yes, it's cold. That's why we are chilling because the cold weather in it. And that's why we wear dark and heavy clothes. And we said that why do we wear dark clothes? Yes, because they absorb, they take in the sunlight, so they help us to be warm from this cold weather. Excellent ones. So we can wear pullovers, we can wear coats, ice caps, scarves, gloves, all of those things for the winter season because they are heavy clothes. Of course, we are gonna choose them of dark colors because they will take the sunlight inside them. And we said that in winter also we can see the snowman and we can see the snow falling from the clouds and the rain also. Then we're gonna come to the spring season, which is after the winter season. We said that this is a beautiful and awesome season. Why? Because it's warm and the flowers they bloom in this season. By the way, we started the spring season, so let's start enjoying it because we're gonna see the beautiful flowers and the beautiful butterflies and the bees. They are taking the nectar, the warm weather in it, and the sunlight and the green leaves and all of they are in the beautiful spring season. Okay, so and then we said that the third season is the summer season, and we all love the summer season. Why? Because we go to the yes, we go to the beach. Okay, but it is a hot season. It's sunny. The sun is shining all over the season, and the temperature is very high. That's why it's hot, and that's why also we wear light clothes. Why do we wear light clothes? Yes, because they reflect the sunlight. The sunlight goes away from our clothes and from our body, so that's why we feel a little bit cool in this hot sunny weather. Excellent ones. The last season we have taken is the autumn, and we said that the autumn is a cool season, and the tree leaves they fall in this season because they will not be any more green. They will be brown, orange, yellow, red. So they are not gonna be green anymore. That's why they are gonna fall in autumn. So again, we have the four seasons. They are winter, spring, summer, and autumn, and then we start the cycle again. Then we come to the temperature. We said that, who can tell me what this mean by temperature? Yes, temperature, it's how hot or cold the thing is. And then we said that how can we measure the temperature? What's the tool of the temperature? As we are measuring the book with the ruler, the weight with the pan balance or the scale balance. How can we measure the temperature? By the yes, thermometer, by the thermometer. Excellent ones. And then we said that the unit is degrees Celsius. If I want to measure the temperature for now, for example, and then I put the thermometer away in the weather, and then it measures 30 or 20, it will be 20 what? 20 degrees Celsius. Excellent ones. And we said that if it is hot, as in summer, for example, the temperature will be high. Excellent. High begins with H, and then hot begins with H also. So both of them, they are H and H. So hot weather means high temperature, means that the liquid inside the thermometer will be gonna going up, and then it will be high temperature. And then we said that if it is cold weather, it will be, yes, low temperature. Cold with L, low temperature begins with L. Also, it has LO and cold has OL. So the cold weather means that the temperature is low. That's why the liquid in the thermometer will be going down. So again, here too, we said that the temperature we measure it by the thermometer. The thermometer has liquid inside. If this liquid is gonna be up, this means that it's hot, and this means that it's high temperature. If this liquid goes down, this means that the temperature is cold or the weather is cold and the temperature will be low. L and L, H and H. Don't forget this. And then when we measure the temperature and we add the temperature together, then we're gonna say that it will be, for example, 20 degrees Celsius, not 20 kilograms, not 20 centimeters, not 20 meters. We are 20 degrees Celsius, okay? Then we said that there is something very important called precipitation. And we said that what does it mean by precipitation? Yes, it is the water that falls from the clouds to the Earth's surface. Again, it's the water that it is filling the clouds and they will fall from it to the Earth's surface. And we said that there are four types of precipitation. They are rain, snow, sleet, and hail. And we said that what does it mean by rain? Rain, they are just what? Yes, they are just water droplets falling from the clouds. Those are the water droplets that they are falling from the clouds because they are filling the clouds in winter, for example, and then when they are filling the clouds, those clouds they crush and hit together, and then the rain and the water droplets they will fall from those clouds. So this is the rain, which is the first type of precipitation. Then the second thing we said that it is the snow, and we said that there is something which is common, which is called SNS, snow. So they are small ice pieces. Snow, they are small ice pieces. So we have taken two types of precipitation. The yes, it is the rain, which they are water droplets falling from those clouds, and then the snow, which they are small ice pieces. Then the third type of precipitation is the, yes, sleet. And we said that there is something common to make it easier for you is the, yes, the sleet has double E, means that they are two things. They are a mixture of rain and snow. Excellent ones. Then we come to the last part of the precipitation is the hail. And also we said that we are going to make it easier for us together that hail has I and big has I, so they are big chunks or big pieces of ice. Chunks means pieces. So now we have taken the four types of precipitation. Again, what does it mean by precipitation? Yes, they are the water falling from the clouds to the Earth's surface. They are four types. Rain, water droplets falling from those clouds to the Earth's surface. Then the snow is small ice pieces. Then the sleet, they are a mixture of rain and snow. Then the hail, it's having ice, so it's big chunks or big pieces of ice. Excellent ones. Then we said that there is something called the wind, and all of us know the wind, and we are feeling the wind in the weather. What does it mean by wind? Wind is the air movement in the sky. Either the wind is gonna be strong, so that's why the things they are gonna be right and left and goes to all of the directions, it's strong, or it can be light, so we can go picnics, we can go outdoors, we can fly our kites, so it's cool weather, it's light wind. Okay, and then we come to another part, which is there are many kinds of weathers. The sunny weather means that the sun is shining. The cloudy weather means that there are a lot of clouds all around the sky. Stormy, there is storm, And then windy means that there is strong wind in this weather. Then rainy means that the rains they are falling from those clouds. And the last one is the snowy means that the snow is falling from the clouds. So those are types of the weather. Okay. Then the last part of our lesson in the weather, there was the weather tools. And we said that as everything in our life, we can measure it by tools. We will never measure thing with anything, okay? We will measure it by a tool. Everything has a special tool to measure it by. The first thing, we said that how can we measure the temperature? It's by the thermometer. Yes, we measure the temperature by the thermometer, and we said that the unit is degrees Celsius. We have taken this, and there is hot temperature and there is cold temperature. There is high temperature and there is low temperature. Okay. Then we said the second thing, I want to measure the depth of the snow, how deep the snow is. I will just get a Excellent. I will just get a ruler and then I will say, for example, this snow depth is 15 centimeters, means that the snow was not deep a lot. Okay? So, if I want to measure the depth of the snow, how deep the snow is, I will use a ruler. Excellent ones. Then if I want to measure the amount of rain, for example, today is a rainy day, and then I want to measure before it rains, of course. I want to measure how much rain is gonna be in this day, or what is the amount of the rain in this day. So I will measure it by the rain gauge, okay. It's just a cylinder and then it's having a ruler inside, and then we're gonna see the level of the rain which has been filling this cylinder or this cup, and then we're gonna read, for example, 50, 20, 100. We're gonna see what is the level of this amount of this rain. Okay. Then the last thing is the wind speed. Today is windy. Today, no, it's having light wind. Today it has no wind at all. So we are gonna measure the wind speed. How? By something called anemometer. Anemometer. Okay. So we have taken four things to measure the temperature. It's by the thermometer. How deep the snow is by the ruler. The amount of rain is by the rain gauge. And the last thing, the wind speed, is by the anemometer. Okay, today we have finished the lesson of the weather. I hope that everything you have understood well. Okay, we revised it many times. Now we are gonna come to the last part in the resource facts sheets in this lesson, which is page 20 and 21. Okay, so they are the last sheets in your resource tags in this lesson. Okay, and then I will be giving you the homework. Okay, now page 20, you're having it. Okay, question 1 is saying to you, which thermometer shows it is a cold day and which one shows it is a hot day? Label them hot and cold, and then you're gonna tell me how did you know. First of all, we are having two thermometers, one here and one here. Then we are gonna see them both. This is number 1. Number 2, after seeing them, we are gonna see which one is hot and which one is cold. Okay. Number 3, we are gonna say how did we know that this is hot and this is cold. So first of all, let us see the two thermometers. We will begin with this one. What can you see here? The liquid is low or it is up? Yes, it is down. So can you guess with me the temperature will be high or low? Yes, it will be low. So we said that low, it has LO, so it will be cold. Excellent ones. So it will be this cold temperature or cold weather. Then we're gonna come to the second thermometer. Can you see the liquid? Is it high or is it low? Yes, it is high. So this means that the temperature is high or low. Yes, it will be high. So this will be hot or cold. It has high, so it will be hot. Yes, it will be hot. How did we know? As we said, now we are answering together from looking at the thermometer. The first thermometer showing the low temperature, and the second one shows us the high temperature. That's why we knew, or from the liquid. Both answers are correct. Okay. Now we are gonna come to question number 2. We are going to write the word that best completes each sentence. We are having the word precipitation and we are having the thermometer. We're gonna read number 1 and 2 and then we're gonna solve it together. Number 1, rain and sleet are two kinds of precipitation or thermometer. What do you think? Rain and sleet, they are two kinds of precipitation or two kinds of thermometer? Yes, they are two kinds of precipitation. Excellent ones. Number 2, a watt measures how hot or cold the air is. A watt measures how hot or cold the air is. It will be a thermometer. The thermometer, it's measuring how hot or cold the air is. Okay, find this page. Okay, let's now come to page 21. Question 3 is saying to you in page 21, we are going to complete this graphic organizers. Okay, scientists use tools to measure the weather. Number 1, a watt measures how much rain falls. First of all, don't be mixed up that they are having A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, this means that this is answer A, this is answer B, this is answer C, and answer D. It's not the word beginning with A, so don't be mixed up. I just want to clarify to you or to make it clear to you. So a watt measures how much rain falls. What is the the tool that measures how much rain falls is the rain gauge. Excellent one. So a rain gauge measures how much rain falls. Yes. Then the second box, this one, it's an anemometer measures the speed of the anemometer measures the speed of what? Yes, of the wind. Excellent ones. Then the third one, the third column or the third box, is having a watt shows how deep the snow is. A watt shows us how deep the snow is. How can we measure the depth of the snow? By a ruler. The ruler is measuring for us the depth of the snow. Then the last one, we are having a watt measures the temperature of the air. What is measuring the temperature of the air is the thermometer. So the thermometer is measuring the temperature of the air. Okay? Okay. Now we're gonna come to question 4. You will use your book to fill in the blanks, and you will use your graphic organizers and your resource packs to fill in those spaces. Of course, I will solve it with you now, okay, orally, and then I will send it to you as a PDF on your classroom. Okay, don't forget this on your classroom. Okay, you will find the PDFs of this homework, and then don't forget to send it to me back in the due date. Okay, so I will solve it with you now. Let's start solving number 1. People think about the what every day? They think about the weather. Excellent one. Number 2, the what outside helps people choose what kind of clothes to wear. The what helps us to choose our clothes to wear. Yes, it will be the weather. Excellent ones. 3, temperature is the measure of how what or cold something is. It will be how hot or cold the something is. Number 4, people use a watt to measure the temperature. We have been solving it now from a while. The people use what to measure temperature? They use they use a thermometer to measure the temperature. Yes. 5, rain, snow, sleet, and water, they are kinds of precipitation. Remember that we said that precipitation, they are 4 types. What are the 4 types of precipitation? Here he's writing to you 3, rain, snow, and sleet. So the missing one is yes, it will be the hail. Excellent ones. 6, People can use an what to measure the speed of the wind. How can we measure the speed of the wind? Is it strong? Is it light? How can we measure the speed? By an, yes, anemometer. Excellent ones. So don't forget, please, to do your homework. I will send it to you in your classroom. Send it to me back on your due date. Okay? Okay. Now I will be asking you something which is very important. I will be showing to you two videos. These two videos, one about how to make a ring gauge at home, and the second one how to make an anemometer. Please, this will be a lovely activity. All of you, you're having the things at home. You will not be needing to go down, of course, in this case. Okay, we don't go down. We are staying at home. Okay, so if you're having the things of the anemometer, you can do it. If you're having the things of the ring gauge, you can do it. Okay. It will be a lovely activity if you did it. It's an assignment. It's not graded, but I hope that you are all gonna be doing it. I will be happy to see that you are doing it at home, to see that you are understanding and you are loving this session, and you are understanding it well. So you can choose any of them, either the anemometer or the ring gauge. You can do them. Please send me the pictures, or if you want to send me a video also, I'll be glad to see this. Please send me the video or send me the pictures of what you have did on your on the classroom, please, on the Google Classroom. Don't forget, please, to do this. I'll be happy. I'll be glad to see your pictures and your videos, to be happy and to know that you understood well and you are having fun in this lesson. Okay, now I'll be showing you the video of how to make the anemometer, and then I will be showing you the video of how to make the ring. So let's start together. Did you see? It's very easy, okay? If you can do it, or you can do the ring gauge. Both of them, they are easy. Glue stick. Okay, use this big use this, okay? Okay, now I will be showing to you the video of the ring gauge, if it is easier for you to make it, so you can do it. Okay, now let's start seeing the video. I hope that you understood at the end the lesson of the weather. This is much more important for me. Don't forget to do your homework and please send it to me in the due date before the due date in your Google Classroom. The third thing, I'll be glad that you will be doing this activity of the anemometer and the rain gauge, and also please send me the pictures or any videos if you want to make it as a video, to record it as a video or to take pictures. I'll be glad and I'll be very happy to see this. Also send it to me on your Google Classroom. Thank you so much and have a nice day.